Hello, my name is Beth Teisler, and I'm going to present the topic of utilizing database Thesauri for online searching. I have found using Thesauri to be very helpful when doing online subject searching where I am unsure of the correct terminology, as is often the case with medical and scientific databases. In addition to subject searches, the thesaurus can be used to provide additional terms for conducting an expanded keyword search. Database thesauri are a type of controlled vocabulary. A controlled vocabulary is a list of standardized subject headings used by catalogers and database indexers to describe what a source, such as an article or a book, is about. These subject headings may also be referred to as subject terms, preferred terms, index terms, system keywords, or descriptors. Controlled vocabulary help users by providing the most appropriate index terms to utilize when conducting a search. It is most beneficial for when you need to conduct an all and only search to obtain all relevant information on a particular topic, when you need extreme precision in your search and results, and when you need to integrate ambiguous terms such as newer terminology used in science and medicine. A thesaurus is a controlled vocabulary list of subject descriptors that demonstrate relatedness between terms. Database thesauri can be time-consuming and expensive to maintain, which is why they are usually only found in academic and scientific databases, like this example of the Mesh thesaurus from the Medline database on ProQuest Dialog. A thesaurus contains three categories of term interrelatedness. The first of these are equivalent or alternate terms, often thought of as synonyms. These are terms that are roughly equivalent within the context of the taxonomy and the body of content. They often follow the words see or use for within the thesaurus. In this example, I searched for TMJ within the Mesh thesaurus. I was led to the term temporomandibular joint, where I was instructed to use term for TMJ. The second category are related terms, which share an associative relationship. They are designated by the acronym RT. These are terms that share the same broader term and have some overlapping meaning. In the example, the related terms for TMJ are centric relation and mandibular condyle. The third category are hierarchical terms that are linked to each other in a relationship that is arranged in rank from broader terms, designated BT, to narrower terms, NT. In this example, temporomandibular joint is a narrow term for joints, whereas skeleton is its broader term. Thesauri can also provide an explode feature. With this factor, terms are exploded to retrieve all references indexed to the term, such as related terms, as well as any narrower terms in the hierarchy. This enables you to further expand or reduce results by combining terms with Boolean operators. Database thesauri are another valuable tool for our Searcher's Toolkit. They provide the most appropriate subject terms for conducting an extensive and precise search. For more information on database thesauri and controlled vocabulary, please consult my reference list. Thank you for viewing my presentation, and happy searching.